You are welcomed to the practical session on reptiles museum specimens. The aim is to study the museum specimens of class Reptilia. Starting with introduction. Reptiles are cold-blooded scaly vertebrates. The name reptiles refers to locomotion. In Latin, rapor or reptum means to creep or crawl, and in Greek, reptile means herpeton, and thus the study of reptiles is called herpetology. General characters. Reptiles are the first true land vertebrates. They are cold-blooded, terrestrial or aquatic air-breathing animals. Body is divisible into head, trunk and tail and is covered with horny scales. Limbs in two pairs are tetrapodous and pentadactyl type. Digits are with horny claws. However, limbs are absent in some lizards and snakes. Mouth is terminal and jaws are provided with simple conical teeth. Body is covered with dry confined skin. Mandible consists of many pieces and articulates. Vertebrae are gastrocentrous. Lungs are used for respiration in terrestrial forms. Cloacal respiration takes place in certain turtles. Heart is three-chambered. Red blood corpuscles are oval and nucleated. Kidneys are metanephric type and are without nephrostomes. Cerebellum of brain is well developed. Lateral line sense organs are absent. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Embryonic membranes are present. Parental care is absent. We will now learn classification. Class Reptilia has about 7,000 living and several extinct species. These are grouped into about 16 orders, out of which only 4 are living. The class of Reptilia has been divided into the 5 subclasses on the basis of the presence or absence of temporal vacuities. These are Anapsida, Euryapsida, which is now extinct, Parapsida, Diapsida and Synapsida. Subclass 1, Anapsida. This subclass includes primitive amphibian-like reptiles, the majority of which are extinct now. The skull bears complete bony roofing in the temporal region. Pelvis is flattened plate-like. The subclass includes 2 orders, Cotylosauria and Chelonia. Order 1, Cotylosauria. These were primitive reptiles closest to the amphibians. These were also called stem reptiles and are extinct now. Order 2, Chelonia. They are terrestrial, semi-aquatic, marine or freshwater forms. It includes living as well as extinct forms. Body is short and broad. A dermal and epidermal armature is present. Teeth is absent. Anus is vertical. Examples are Testudo, that is tortoise, Chelone, that is turtle, etc. Subclass 2, Parapsida. All the members of this group are extinct now. A single upper temporal fossa present behind the eye with supratemporal and postfrontal meeting below. Examples are Mesosaurus and Ichthyosaurus. Subclass 3, Diapsida. It includes large number of fossils and all of the living reptiles. 2 temporal fossa are present with postorbital and squamosal meeting between them. The subclass Diapsida includes the following 7 orders: Rhynchocephala, Squamata, Crocodilia, Schistosoria, Saurischia, Ornithischia and Pterosauria. Order 1, Rhynchocephaly. It includes the most primitive living reptile of New Zealand and a large number of extinct forms. A well-developed pineal eye is present. Ribs are headed with unicinnate processes. Teeth are acrodont type. Example, Sphenodon. Order 2. Squamata. It includes majority of the present day reptiles. The diapside condition of the skull is modified. Temporal fossa may be present or lost. Squamosal is small. Quadratojugal is absent. Quadrate, which moves freely, forms the suspensorium. Vertebra is procellus. Males are provided with irreversible copulatory sex. Limbs may be well developed, vestigial or absent. This further includes two suborders, that is Lesser Telia and Ophidia. Suborder 1, Lesser Telia. Body is usually elongated and slender. Limbs are in two pairs. Maxilla, palatines and pterygoids are fixed. Sternum, episternum, tympanum and bladder are present. Eyelids are movable. Some are oviparous or ovoviviparous. Examples include Phyrenosoma, that is horned lizard, Hemidactylus, that is wall lizard, Draco, that is flying lizard, Varanus, Uromastix, Ophisaurus, Iguana, that is crested lizard, chameleon, etc. Suborder 2, Ophidia. The members of Ophidia have lost both the temporal fossae. The maxilla, palatines and pterygoids can move freely with streptostylic quadrate. The mandible is united in front by elastic ligaments. The gap of the mouth is very wide, a condition which helps them to swallow large prey. Sternum and episternum are absent. Tympanum and nictitating membrane are lacking. Eyelids are not movable. Examples are all snakes, Lachesis, that is viper, Crotalus, that is rattlesnake, Naja, that is cobra, Bungarus, that is krait, Zymenis and python. Order 3, Crocodilia. It includes large aquatic sized reptiles. Body is covered with bony plates and epidermal scales. Vertebra is procellus or amphicoelous. Ribs are double-headed. Quadrate is fixed. Respiratory passage and mouth cavity is separated by the formation of secondary palate. Teeth are thecodont type. Heart is four-chambered. Limbs are adapted for walking. Diaphragm separates the body cavity into abdominal and thoracic cavity. Eggs are laid outside the water on land. Examples are alligator, crocodilus, that is crocodiles, gavialis, that is gharial, etc. The remaining four orders, that is Pseudosuchia, Saurischia, Ornithischia and Pterosauria, are extinct now. Subclass 4, Synapsida. This group include mammal-like reptiles which are extinct now. Single temporal fossa is present with postorbital and squamosomal meeting above it. Dentition is heterodont type. Examples are Dimetrodon, Varanosaurus. Moving ahead, we will now discuss representative types of reptiles. Trionyx gentaticulus. Trionyx are distributed in Asia, Africa and North America. It is a freshwater terrapin found in Indian rivers and ponds and are commonly known as tortoise. The body is fairly large and covered by a soft shell which is connected with the endoskeleton. Teeth are replaced by horny plates. Beak is pointed. Feet are webbed. Head is green with longitudinal black streak and 3 oblique streaks. Sphenodon. Sphenodon is the only living genus of the order Rhicocephalia. It is commonly called Totara and is found only in New Zealand. It is a protected species which is fast approaching extinction. It has much zoological importance as it resembles with Homiosaurus of Jurassic age. This is very large lizard-like reptile which resembles only in external appearance. It also shares characters with some Archaeosaurus and birds. It is nocturnal in habit. It shares burrow with various kinds of petrels. Lizards. Hemidactylus. Hemidactylus or wall lizard is the most common member of Lacertilian order. It is about 25 cm long and is pale green in color. The lizard is a swift runner and can run on perpendicular smooth surface without falling. This is due to the presence of lamella under the digits which work on the vacuum pressure principle. Head is broad and flat, tail is moderately long, scales are minute and smooth. It has a short, sticky, slightly notched tongue with which it feeds insects. They have sharp claws which enable the lizard to walk on ceilings and smooth surfaces. They are harmless creatures and carnivorous in habitat. Draco. It is commonly called flying lizard or flying dragon. The body is compressed dorsoventrally with neck having 3 soft hooks. Teeth are acrodontine. The lizard bears fold of skin called wings or patagia on either side of the trunk, supported by 5 bony patagial ribs. It helps in jumping or in gliding. The limbs are pentadactyl and free. The ventral sides of the neck bears 2 to 3 spines. These help the animal in anchoring to twigs, branches, etc. after the jump. It is native of India and lives on trees. It is insectivorous and is found in the Indo-Malayan Peninsula. Draco volans is found in Sumatra, Java and Borneo. Draco dulcimeri occurs in Chennai. Varanus. Varanus is commonly called as monitor lizard. It is a primitive lizard found in Africa, Asia and Australia and has many species. Tail is long and slightly laterally compressed. It is semi-aquatic. The entire animal is covered with fine granular scales. Neck is longer than a long flattened head. Body is yellow having brown spots. The tongue is forked. They are carnivorous and feed on mice, squirrels, tortoise, etc. and are nocturnal in habit. Heloderma suspectum. It is commonly called as Gila monster. It is found in Mexico and arid parts of Arizona. It is the only poisonous or venomous lizard. Heloderma is large, heavy lizard measuring up to the length of 2 feet. It lives in dry places under the rocks, stones and burrows. The body is covered with brilliant black and orange colored scales. The limbs are well developed. Teeth are fang-like, recurved and grooved. These form ducts for the poisonous secretion of labial glands. Limbless lizards. Ophiuchus. It is commonly called as glass snake or blind worm or slow worm. It is limbless lizard which lives in burrows and is a good example of extreme degeneration among Lacertilia. The gap of the mouth is narrow, eyelids are movable, tail is long and body is covered with scales. Body is greenish brown with stripes. Tail is brittle and breaks very easily. Ophiosaurus gracilis is native to India while Angus fragilis is found in Europe. Snakes. Non-poisonous snakes. Python. Python is large, massive snake covered with small-sized scales. The head bears sheaths. It has prehensile tail, vestigial pelvic girdle, vestiges of hind limbs, vertical pupil and premaxilla with teeth. Python molurus, found in India, measures up to 25 feet. The body is dorsally greyish brown in color with black and red spots, and ventrally it is yellow. Pythons are non-poisonous, but they can kill sheep, goats, dogs and even tigers with their powerful body. Python reticulatus is found in India, Burma, Siam and Malaysia. Geminis. It is commonly known as red snake or dhaman in India. It is highly active non-poisonous snake which feeds on rats, small rodents and frogs. It grows up to a length of 2.5 meters and has an elongated tail. Dorsally it is brownish in color with black bands on the tail, and ventrally it is pale yellow. Poisonous snakes. Ancestrodon himalayanus. It is commonly called as brown Himalayan viper or pit viper and is found in Himalayas. The general color on dorsal side is bluish brown with dark brown or black spots appearing like cross bars, and brown on the ventral side with black and white spots. Body is not much elongated, measuring about 60 cm in length. The scales covering the body have apical sensory pits. Mouth is grey with black spots. The head is triangular, broad and covered with scales. These are viviparous. Vipera russelli. Vipera russelli is another poisonous snake. It is about 5 feet in length. It is pale brown dorsally with 3 longitudinal series of black rings. Each ring is bordered white and ventrally it is yellowish. Body scales is keeled. In vipers, the maxilla is small and bears long movable fangs with canals. Tail is comparatively short, ending abruptly. It is nocturnal in habits and deadly poisonous. Vipers are found in India, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Other vipers have species in Europe, Africa and Asia. Cobra. Cobra is highly poisonous snake of some Afro-Asian countries. It grows up to the length of 6 feet and it is usually of black or brown color. It lives under stones near thick vegetation. It is shy and diurnal by nature. It is recognized by its characteristic hood and the following parts. Head is covered with shields. Third supralabial touches the eye and the nasal shield. Vertebrals are not enlarged. Subcaudals are doubled. The hood is of 3 following types. Number 1. Biocellate. It is a spectacle mark on its hood. It is found in Maharashtra. Number 2. Monocellate. It is oval, circular mark on the hood and it is found in Bengal. Number 3. Baird. It has no mark on the hood. It is found in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Bungarus. It is commonly known as krait and is a common poisonous snake. It measures up to 4 feet in length. The body is covered by scales. Dorsally on the body are present white cross bands which are distinct and sharp in the posterior region but fade away towards the anterior region. The head of the krait is prominent but does not form hood. It is covered by shields. The vertebral scale are large. Tail is rounded and having a single subcaudal. The species of krait are native to India. Crocodylus. Crocodylus is one of the largest living carnivorous reptile residing in rivers and lakes. It is commonly called as Maggar. The most common Indian crocodile is Crocodylus palustris. It is about 12 feet long with a long and pointed snout. The head is triangular and rough at the top. Dorsally, the body is dark olive brown with black spots or stripes. The tail is very powerful, long and laterally compressed. Limbs are pentadactyl with 5 fingers and toes. Hind feet are webbed. They move in water with lightning speed. They have upper and lower jaws, each containing 19 teeth on either side. The fifth upper tooth is the largest. They are oviparous. Other species are Crocodylus porus, which is native to India, Crocodylus niloticus, which is native to Africa, and Crocodylus acutus, which is native to Florida. Hereby, we summarize the session. Reptiles are the first true land vertebrates which have been divided further into 5 subclasses on the basis of the presence or absence of temporal vacuities. These are Anapsida, Euryapsida, which is extinct now, Parapsida, Diapsida and Synapsida. In this session, we have discussed the various general characters and representative types of museum specimens of class Reptilia with suitable examples. We have also mentioned the identifying characters of some reptilian specimens like Sphenodon, Draco, Varanus, etc. Thank you.